Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the 3D Pop-Up Book Pro template in After Effects. You can design and customize in many ways. Change book covers, place objects, modify textures, adjust environments, choose camera angles, and create a wide range of designs. The projects come in 3-page and 5-page versions, created by Circlenumber. For more information about my work and updates, visit circlenumber.net. Now, let's dive in. Getting started is simple. Just follow 3 main steps. 1. Design your scene. 2. Insert your illustration. 3. Render. Step 1. Design your scene. First, for smoother workflow, set the screen to a lower resolution by adjusting it in Essential Graphics. Choose your camera angle. There are 2 types available: a straight angle camera and a rotating camera. Choose your environment. There are 2 options available: a 360 degrees HDR or a solid background in Essential Graphics. Enable the type you want and disable the type you don't need. With Environment 360, you can insert your map Environment 360 in Layer *** Map Layer 01_ENV_360. In the book cover section, start by going to the book cover timeline. Open the Layer Map Texture, Map, Layer 01_Cover. Then open 2 work windows, Camera View and Map Texture View. You can customize the texture map by changing its color or applying your own texture design to the book cover. In the book cover decoration section, open the texture map layer, Map, Layer 02_Cover, Decorate. Here, you can adjust the texture as desired. In the pop-up page section, open the Element 3D layer, ELE3D, of that page to start working. In the Element 3D section, the working scene window includes several folders by default. Each folder stores specific types of objects as follows: Sheet stores sheet objects, Base stores base objects, Pop-up Center stores pop-up objects positioned in the center, Pop-up Left stores pop-up objects positioned on the left side, Pop-up Right stores pop-up objects positioned on the right side. This folder layout is used to display in After Effects. Before work, move all folder object to folder, #set_std. You can enable folder, #scope_all, #, for look scope placement of object. In the Model Browser window, how folders are organized to store pop-up book assets according to their types. Let's start placing the objects. Open the folder in the scene window that you want to edit. Inside, you'll find the assets. You can move, rotate, scale, delete, or add new assets from the store. Object placement is organized into sections based on folder names, center, left, and right. In addition to placing objects manually, there are also pop-up set available in the assets for use and further editing. To use them, delete all existing folders, then drag and drop a pop-up set into the scene window. Once the design is complete, set up the folder just as you would when opening Element 3D. Move the folder containing the object out from the main folder. Set the folder groups according to their group names. For example, GRP1 indicates Group 1. If a folder does not include a group name, set it as No Group. After that, close the Element 3D window. You will see the 3D pop-up you designed. You can switch to high-resolution display for checking, but be careful, the preview may run slowly. Within the Essential Graphics panel, open the Page 01 drop-down menu to access the Random Offset Flip Animation parameter. Done for Page 1. Do the same workflow as any other page in the project. Finish Step 1. Step 2. Insert your illustration. There are two ways to insert your illustrations. 1. Insert into a plane object. 2. Insert into a 3D object. Start by inserting a plane object. Open the Element 3D window. In the Model Pack, you'll find 3 plane sizes: large, medium, and small. Select the plane you want to place in your scene. Then, click on the Material object and add your texture to the diffuse map. Insert into a 3D object. Objects that support texture customization are marked with a texture grid pattern. You can also identify them by the asset name. Objects with dash in brackets at the beginning of their name can have textures applied. Let's start changing the texture map. In the Element 3D Scene Setup, select the object you want to edit in the scene window. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal the materials. Then click on the material you want to edit. In the Edit window, right-click on Diffuse and choose Show in Explorer. A folder window will pop up containing the texture files. Keep this folder for reference. Go to the Texture Edit section. Left-click on Diffuse to open the Texture Channel window. Click the left drop-down menu to display the Custom Layer options. The custom layer is used to store the texture you want to edit. Each page supports up to 9 custom layers. In this example, select Custom Layer 2, then click OK. Open the texture folder of the object. Then, drag and drop the PNG texture file you want to use into the Scene Assets folder in After Effects. Open the composition named Map Layer 02 _ Page 01, which stores Custom Layer 2. Drag and drop your PNG texture into this composition. The object will automatically display within Alpha Channel. Choose your image in this composition and position it according to the alpha area. Return to the main composition for check. You can add a face image to a 3D character the same way you would apply an image to any 3D object. Open the Characters Texture folder, locate the diffuse map, and replace it with the custom layer you want to use. Go to the layer you selected for the map, choose the character image from the Character Texture folder, and add it to that layer. You'll then have a 3D character ready with the face applied. Select the face image you want to use in the layer map, mask the face and position it correctly on the character's face. Then, set the background to a skin tone that matches the character. Do the same workflow as any other page in the project. Finish Step 2. Step 3. Render. Set the screen to a high resolution by adjusting it in Essential Graphics. Enable Motion Blur 2. Set up the project renderer as you want. Customers who purchase the Pop-Up Book Pro project will have access to chatbot support and website circlenumber.net. Thanks for watching.